Hey guys, it's me FireAlarm19122 and welcome back to another video. This will be an unboxing video of a couple of alarms that I got off eBay. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I've opened the box and straight out of the gate we have the first device. It's a Simplex device. This is a Simplex 4903-9256. I've always wanted one of these and I finally found one on eBay. But I got the price of one of these for 3 alarms, so it's cool to have this in my collection now. So it is missing some screw terminals, but I can just steal that from one of my addressable Simplex True Alerts. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This is the oh boy. Can't remember. This might be a 30 Candela model. I'm not too sure. I forget what the symbol means, but yeah, so there's the Simplex 4903-9236. So yeah. Second device we have is a Siemens UMMT. I don't know the full model of this because I don't have my screwdriver on me at the moment, so I can't open it up. But now I have 2 of these, and oh, it looks like it's missing the little cover for this Candela selection over here. So yeah, this is a pretty cool device. I have one, but it's like Smart Sync, and I was gonna see if this was or wasn't Smart Sync. So yeah, but yeah, this is a pretty cool device. The last thing I have is just a plain old System Sensor SR, and yeah, these things are pretty cool. I've got, I think, 3 advances now, because this is my 3rd advance that I have in my collection. I have a red one of these in a horn strobe version, and I have a white one of these in a horn strobe version, but I do not have a strobe, and it's nice to add this to my collection. So yeah, so these are all the devices I got today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.